My 25th birthday is coming up in exactly 4 weeks and I want to look good on that day. Now, I don't usually make a big deal out of my birthdays, but looking good, looking fit is a non-negotiable for me. For my 24th birthday, I got into the best shape of my life. So for my 25th, the least I would like to do is replicate that, if not do better. So starting today, I'm gonna eat as clean as possible, incorporate movement, and make changes to my lifestyle to the best of my capability. Starting with the Big Man Bowl. The Big Man Bowl is what I typically eat for breakfast regardless of my physique goals. It took me years and years of iteration to get down to this final recipe, and it is without a doubt a contributing factor to my stable energy levels throughout the day. But today, this bowl is missing one key ingredient though, which is raw organic cacao powder. My polyphenol-rich prebiotic fiber that makes this meal a superfood. Done with breakfast, now we need to finish up some work, get in some steps, and also start prepping for lunch. I have some client onboardings to take care of because I'm finally opening up slots for coaching again. So if you're interested in working with me, then check out the link in the description box. Also, please stop asking me where this particular walk pad is from. This is an old, shitty walk pad. There are much more advanced, newer ones available in the market. I've now come to Lulu Mart to pick up chicken. Now that should sort me for the next 2 days. Bro, Lulu has the best self-checkout facility. Bro, it's too convenient. My transaction has never failed. Should I grab a coffee before leaving? I don't know. Maybe I should just save some money. It's pretty hot and sunny today, bro. But then again, I was shirtless for 2 whole days in Goa. So my body is acclimatized to heat. But regardless of that, dehydration is a very real thing. So I need to get in sufficient water. Right now I'm consuming not just water, but also some salt along with it. Now you guys must be investing in expensive ass electrolytes, but regular table salt will do just fine. In fact, most of you guys who purchase electrolytes, you are just paying for expensive table salt. Here's my 1/4 teaspoon measurement. I'm gonna add the entire thing. Up until 2023, I used to consume Gatorade for electrolytes because Gatorade came with not just sodium but also sugar. Now these motherfuckers have removed sugar out of their formulation. Bro, sugar plus sodium is the fastest way for you to hydrate yourself. Quick disclaimer, if you have high blood pressure, then don't do what I'm doing. Now let's head towards the gym, bruv. We are training posterior chain today. That includes upper back, traps, lats, erectors, glutes, hamstrings. Let's go. I pull up to the gym and look who else is here. Can you guys recognize that ass? Yo, Bobby.
What's up?
They can recognize you by your ass.
That's crazy work, bro.
So Kavin and I have different workouts today, but we have one exercise in common, which is deadlifts. We're both doing stiff-legged deadlifts. He's doing it as a leg day routine. I'm doing it as a posterior routine. If you're wondering why isn't Nishok here, then you are not an OG subscriber. OGs know why Nishok is not here. He's obviously skipping legs. Done with the workout, bro. Kavan was supposed to deadlift 125. He actually did 130. Good stuff. And I deadlifted today after 3 whole months. People have been asking where is deadlifts and dawat. If I'm not deadlifting, what deadlift dawat will I make, right? But it's back now. Deadlifts are back. Will I do deadlift and dawat again? I don't know.
Today dawat no, bro.
Today dawat, sir.
Yeah, bro.
Bobbies, looks like Kavin and I are going out. Looks like we're actually leaving for dawat. So today is deadlift and dawat. I gave Kavin an old t-shirt of mine. Do you guys remember seeing me in this t-shirt? He's wearing the t-shirt, but he's also wearing it with shorts, which is a little weird.
It's the dad fit, bro.
We're going to Central Bangalore, where Shefali will also join us. Bobbies, we've reached Church Street. We're now thinking what to do. We don't have a plan exactly. If Nishok was here, maybe he would come up with a plan. But Kavin and I suck at making plans. We asked Shefali what's the plan, and she said, I can't believe 2 guys are asking a girl for a plan. I'm just a girl. Yo, Kavin, you want AJ, BJ?
Depending on AJ, I'll take the BJ.
Depending on AJ, he'll take BJ, bro. Okay, I pull up. How about at the after party? Hello, madam.
Hello.
Namaste.
Namaste.
That's how we start greeting each other going forward.
Bro, I don't work for Air India, bro. That's why I don't understand.
Alright, so me and my boys are now going to Food Stories.
Me and my boys is crazy.
She only said I'd rather be one of your boys, you spend more time with them. So we're going to Food Stories supermarket because I want to purchase cacao powder. I mentioned today earlier in the vlog that I ran out of cacao powder and I'm not able to find it online. So these guys usually have it in stock, in store. Let's see. Hopefully they have it today as well. We out here at Food Stories Gourmet Supermarket and they don't have Mason & Co cacao powder. So I'm going to be trying out Manam chocolate ka cacao powder. Dinner we are going to Miller's. Okay? But before that, do you want to grab pre-dinner dessert or would you like to grab sushi?
Your call. Two boys. make the
Your
call.
call.
I just said two boys make the call.
Bro, the couple should make the call, bro. I'm just.
Bobbies, we out here at Smoor, but standing at Smoor, we're thinking we need to go to Corner House. So we're gonna let this bottle decide. If it lands, we go Corner House. If it doesn't, we get something at Smoor itself.
I'm unbiased in this, bro. So.
Pakka, you're unbiased.
I am though anyway not eating here, there, anything. So.
Okay. Come, chef.
Here.
We're eating here only.
Oh, that
What do you want? Chocolate maki you want?
does it look dry?
I don't think it will be dry from any angle, but it may be too chocolatey.
So we have here a chocolate maki cake and a hazelnut brownie.
Whose cake, bro?
Maki cake, bro.
Who's Ma, bro?
Smoor maki cake,
Okay.
bro. What should we try first? Brownie, because that will be sweeter.
I'm not having a bite of this.
Why?
I won't like it. I know.
Then let's have the brownie first. Not my vibe.
Okay. I expected more.
Soft.
She will never complain. Any dessert you put in her mouth, she'll enjoy it. Let's try the chocolate maki cake. This is too hard. Taste?
It's bad. I told you it looks dry.
Do you think my brownie suddenly more tasty, bro?
Yeah, Kavin's brownie now is better.
Could return this, bro.
Oh, send that back, huh?
Call Hari, call Hari.
Call Hari, bro. Call Hari. Hari will send it back.
So dry. And tell me, didn't I say it looks dry from there?
See, Kavin, the son of a baker, told it does not look dry.
Son of a baker. Well, let me see how bad it is, bro.
Oh, it's horrendous, bro.
Bad.
See, your fork only doesn't go through.
Wow. Wow, that's like only crumbs, bro.
That bottle flip fucked us over, bro. Should have just gone Corner House.
Hey man, don't blame the bottle.
If he was a better thrower, he would have landed.
Flipper, bro.
Flipper.
You're not gonna talk about my skills like that? Huh?
Put, bro. Guys, if you want to get a taste of the Thar dessert in your mouth or something drier than the Thar dessert, come to Smoor and get the marquee cake. Terrible. It is so bad that we are going for dessert number 2 to Corner House. But then again, good thing it was not tasty at Smoor because I saved 300 calories. The goated malt powder, bro. Bro, there's some ice cream with my peanuts, bro.
Huh?
There's some ice cream with my nuts. That's a
Street Triple
RS. Almost bought that bike. Bro, since I didn't buy any bike, I can say almost bought that bike to any
Do
bike.
anything, no?
BMW S1000RR M Sport. Just bro. Almost bought it.
Just miss.
Guys, we're at Airlines Corner House. You'll see the best cars and bikes here.
Especially weekend.
Ice cream good. Guys, this video is proof that if Shefali wakes up with a pimple tomorrow, I am not to blame. Do you think we'll wake up with a pimple? Bro, this malt chocolate fudge has revived Corner House for me. You know, I stopped coming here for 2 whole years.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, everything was too heavy until this malt chocolate fudge.
Have you never eaten hot chocolate fudge? It's
Bro,
just
that's
the
what-
same thing.
It's not the same thing, bro. The ice cream is different.
The ice cream is the
Ice
only
cream.
different thing.
The ice cream and the malt powder. Alright, Bobbies, let's go to Miller's now in Shefali's car. Ooh. Please close the door.
It's my car. I can do whatever I want.
Bobbies, we were supposed to go to Miller's the day I landed from Goa. Didn't happen because of the weather. You know, right, Kevin, it was pouring that day.
When you came back. No?
Yeah, I arrived and Bangalore got wet. Somebody commented that. I stole that from him. I steal a lot of lines, guys. I have stolen so many of Shefali's lines. You think I'm funny? I'm not. It's Shefali who's funny. I'm just better at saying it to the camera. Am I not, Chef?
Yeah, I mean, obviously.
Obviously.
Your life depends on it at this
My
point.
life doesn't depend on this, Chef.
What does it depend
Just
on?
letting you all know, my life does not depend on this vlogging channel. Alright, Bobbies, we've now reached Vasant Nagar. But before we go to Miller's, I have a question for Kavin. Genuine. You look at this. What do you think this place is?
Jewelry store.
Jewelry store? Take another guess.
Salon.
Hey, he got it. Oh, you saw it there. You know,
It looks like a cafe.
it looks like a cafe, bro. It's a salon.
So I saw ivory and gold. I'm like, okay, maybe they fucking sell ivory and gold.
Bobbies, we out here at Miller's watching IPL. Which team do you support in IPL?
CSK.
CSK fan, Bobbies. Just kidding. She's wearing red. You think she's a CSK fan? We are all RCBians here. Only Nishok is a CSK fan.
Why is he a CSK fan?
Nishok is Dhoni fan, boss. You see, guys, that's all I'm eating. Literally, that's it. Does that look like a lot of food to you? Half a scoop of ice cream and this. Is that a lot of food?
Yes, for someone who's on a diet.
Bro, is that a lot of food?
For someone who's on a diet.
Are you guys forgetting that I'm massive?
Bro, you're massive, bro. That's why it's a lot of food. Need to cut down, bro. Mohit.
Guys, don't you agree that Shefali is looking very pretty today? Like, very, very pretty. I know she's making an ugly face right now, but if she's being herself, she's looking damn pretty.
Really?
10 on 10 pretty. It's these days when she doesn't put any effort into looking good that she looks the best. Like when you put effort, of course you look great, but when you don't, Unplanned meets. Today was not planned, by the way. She just said, "Will you meet?" I said, "Sure." And Kavin also joined us. She looks amazing, bro, today.
Effortless.
Effortless. Yeah, she is effortless beauty. Even I'm effortless, right?
Yeah, very effortless.
But I have to start putting in effort to look better for my birthday. Guys, she does not want me to cut weight. She says she likes me at 85 kgs.
I like you at 80. 80 or like one skinny teenage boy.
But I'm shredded boss at 80 kgs.
No one cares.
Do you like me better at 85 kgs or 80 kgs? 80. Kavin likes me better at 80. Now, what should I give more weightage? What you like or what she likes?
I didn't hear the question, bro.
But yeah, she doesn't want me to cut weight, bro. She asked me to meet, took me to Corner House, took me to Smoor. Miller's, I took her because I wanted to eat at least healthy dinner. But had I left it to her, she would have taken me where, boss?
Misu.
Misu. You wanted Asian today?
Yeah, we saw the place and I really liked it.
We'll try it out. Today was not a cheat meal, by the way. We'll go there for a cheat meal. Alright, Bobbies, we've dropped off Shefali. Going towards Whitefield now. That's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next one.
Bye.